Inspired by you, DecoRug's.
ETHOS Shaggy rugs are made from 100% polyester yarn, which gives them this incredibly soft, luscious pile. The pile almost feels like cotton wool, and if you like lounging around on the floor like me, then you are going to love the ETHOS Shaggy. Made in Turkey by the renowned Merinos Carpet Mills, ETHOS Shaggy is woven on mechanical looms and produced to the highest standard to achieve a superior quality finish and ensure they maintain their good looks and feel for many years to come. Here's what else you might like about the ETHOS Shaggy rugs. Each rug comes with overlocked edges, giving them a nice, clean finish, and the ends are double bound for added strength. The pile height is 45 millimeters to enhance that luxurious feel, and each rug weighs a hefty 3.6 kilograms per square meter. This is a really fine quality product. There's a total of 6 fashionable colors to choose from, including white, beige, light and dark grey, as well as navy and lilac. Beautiful quality and great value for money, the ETHOS Shaggy is available for you to purchase online or at your preferred DecoRug retail store. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoy shopping with us here at DecoRug. Bye for now.